रेल्वेचे ट्रॅक डबलिंग फकत कोळशा खातीर जाता, पॅसेंजराच्या बऱ्या खातीर न्ही म्हूण कुठ्ठाळची बीजेपीची आमदार अलिना साल्ढानाचो आरोप. हे बाबतींत आपूण लोकां बरोबर, लोकांक नाका जाल्यार रेल्वेचे ट्रॅक डबलिंग जावपाक दिवचे ना म्हूण अलिनान स्पश्ट केलें.
That stretch has not been touched. They have said that they are coming right up to Margao, and that's what I know, because the moment I know that something starts to decide, I am sorry, but I will have to start. I will be with the people. But also, no, I have to say that for whose benefit? Is it for the benefit of the people of the state? Are the people of the state going to benefit? Because people of the state will benefit when the passenger trains increase. Right now, I don't think there is enough passengers for the existing passenger trains. So there is no need of passenger trains. What is there is enough. This is basically for coal, okay, to transport coal. So how much coal is going to be transported? And what about the pollution aspect? There are so many things to be considered. I'm sure the government will sit down and take a decision.
You will be with the people.
I will be with the people. For sure.
प्रुडंटा खातीर दिशांत परब.